Unang-una, hindi naman siya na umamin. Matagal ko nang pinirmahan. There never was an admission that he killed people. In other words, if you're making him accountable for a crime, he has not committed any crime. And assuming that he has committed a crime, you have to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt para maging accountable ka. That is the only time you can file a disbarment charge against a member of the bar.
Wala akong hard and fast rule pagdating sa disbarment. It's a category of its own. Walang specific na mga elemento. Kung ano yung iniisip ng Supreme Court na dahilan para sa disbarment, yun na yun. May maling assumption dun yung sinabi ni Panelo eh. Malay ba natin kung hindi siya kinasuhan ng disbarment doon sa kanyang admission, quote-unquote. He could have been cited for any number of violations or potential violations for that matter. So yung sinasabi ni Panelo na, hindi, kumpiyansa ako, madidismiss yan. Ikaw lang yan. Hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari, Panelo.